Today is still Saturday, the 4th day of October 2025. It is alarming to know that Bändits has infiltrated Abuja. Listen to me. I was paying attention to what the Commissioner of Police, Abuja, was saying on Arise News when Somtochukwu Maduago died, the producer of Arise, a producer in Arise News, that lady that passed on through armed robbery incident, whether they said she jumped down or not, that is a story for another day. Now, the Commissioner of Police in Abuja said something that I noted during his speech there, during the interview. He said they were preparing to celebrate the Bändits, the capture in Abuja, when they received the news, the tragic news that this lady passed on. So they paused everything they were saying. That sent a very strong message to you. By the way, I saw the same Nigerian police when they were wearing Lucky Udu. Lucky Udu is a social influencer. They were wearing that police jacket. They said he should go and show them where he reported that bandits are going from house to house robbing Abuja. So he went to show them. Maybe they went to raid all those areas, I don't know. But how is this thing different from American government report last month? I know a lot of people don't like America because of so many wars they are putting their hands and so many things they are doing that are not good, okay? But Nigeria refuted America's report when they told them that Abuja is under siege, Abuja is not safe. Now, today, as you can see in the news, breaking: gunmen abduct, kill veterinary doctor in Abuja as 3 children remain with kidnappers. Every now and then, you think it's only Kwara, you think it's only Kogi, you think it's only Borno. 5,000 went to Cameroon, flee to Cameroon. That was yesterday. So, pay attention. This is the time for every state, every ethnic group, every community, unite. Stop fighting each other because the war is already at your doorstep. People might not like what I'm saying, but that is the truth. This is time to unite because the war is already at your doorstep. Forget about all these things that politicians are using to divide people, tribe, and religion. The war is already at your doorstep. It's not only in Abuja. Now, what happened? Let us go to the details of this article. It was published by Sahara Reporters, and this is what it reads. A renowned veterinary doctor and former chairman of the Nigerian Veterinary Medical Association, FCT chapter, Dr. Ephine Ubu, has been murdered in the Federal Capital Territory, Abuja. According to a report, armed men stormed his residence in Kubwa, Abuja, and abducted him along with his 3 children. Listen up. While the nursing wife and other family members were hoping for the best, the doctor's body was later found dumped by the roadside while his children are still missing. This is so painful. It's tragic. Now, do you remember how a military officer, former Navy officer, I think former Air Force officer, something like that, a top-ranking man, they were kidnapped in Abuja, and other military officers contributed money to pay bandits to release them, and they celebrated it. I want people that what is coming, all this evil we are nursing by our silence. I repeat, we are nursing this evil by our silence. And when this evil we matured, they have graduated, the evil is even doing master's degree, all these militias, all these gunmen, bandits, they are already doing PhD. They are going to professorship. Let me tell you, Nigeria will not survive this. Because the people who are supposed to fight them are supporting them. If any terrorist organization will be wiped out of Nigeria, it will not take 2 weeks. It will not take even 1 week. They will do that. I want you to always go and watch and listen to the head of military intelligence in Nigeria, the IAs. When they speak, listen to them. They are telling you the truth. If you have not listened to Kunde Olawumi 1-hour interview on Chinese television, you don't know where we are in Nigeria. A head of military intelligence agency came to, military spy don't come out, they don't talk outside. For him to come to national television, he came, he told you that they arrested 400 Boko Haram members. The presidency refused to try them. He said he wanted to stop Boko Haram in Nigeria. Him and his team. And what he saw is that for them to do this, they've got to arrest the presidency members, they've got to arrest senators, they've got to arrest governors. So it's beyond them. Open your eyes. The danger is already here. The article continues. Andrew Gabriel Ikechukwu, who also shared the tragic news in his Facebook page, explained that Dr. Ogbu was kidnapped along with three of his children, but later found dead while three children were yet to be released. Praying for God's intervention, he said, Dr. Ephine Ubu, the immediate past chairman of the NVNF city chapter, who was kidnapped alongside his children and his children from his home in Kubwa, Abuja, was found dead. The three children are yet to be released. May God please intervene. Now, the article continues. The incident comes on the heels of the tragic death of Somtochukwu Maduago, a news anchor with Arise TV, who was murdered in an armed robbery attack at her Katampe residence in Abuja. Maduago, a 29-year-old lawyer turned journalist, was known for her advocacy on gender-based violence and education reform. Her death has sparked widespread outrage and condemnation from Nigerians, with many calling for justice and improved security measures. The article continues, but let me stop the article here. You see what is happening in Nigeria. We lack the sincerity to confront the reality. We are not telling ourselves the truth. Let me repeat this to you. In 2015, from November 2014 to February 2015, the APC government, after the coalition of AC and CPC, imported these bandits into Nigeria. And these bandits have also allowed their people to come when Nigeria do open visa-free for the whole African countries. It was purpose to allow their families to reunite with them. When they were coming, they came with guns. And these politicians are so proud to go to the national television to tell people that, you see, we imported terrorists into the country to do this, to do that. Like, what sort of place is this? If this man had relocated out of Nigeria, he will not die. Nigeria kills dreams. Nigeria happens to people. Nigeria kills her own. But Nigeria hates the people who speak the truth more. Anytime you start telling them the truth, they hate you. They will look for you to kill. They will not want you alive. They will not even want you to breathe. They will arrest you, detain you, torture you, dehumanize you for telling them the simple truth. This is a blind tribe. A tribe that kills her prophets. A tribe that doesn't allow people who tell them the truth to survive it. Oh, it's so unfortunate that these people will die by the collusion and by the silence they have kept amidst insecurity and people who want them to die. They love their oppressors the most. They hate the people who support them. It is not going to be okay. Not many days hence, I am predicting that there will be a very close to a civil war in Nigeria in 2026 that insecurity is going to cause. I am predicting that. I'm predicting it because of my experience about insecurity, not because of any other thing. Watch out. These people are on rampage. I've said what I want to say about this. Let me know what you think on the comment section. I'm Okochapi myself, a complete and security reporter.